Oh,
Wow,
yeah,
there's
couple.
3 right there. Oh, what do they have there?
Oh,
my
it's a feeding frenzy. Oh my gosh. What are they eating? A swordfish?
This is so rare to be able to see something like this.
This is a really good example of how carbon from the surface or the midwater is transferred down into the benthos and consumed by other organisms. So this is really seeing this whole cycle of carbon transfer in action, which I don't think we've ever seen this before. I definitely have not.
You know, we're getting close to the end of our dive, and to be able to observe these animals in their natural habitat feeding is pretty remarkable.
Oh, big grouper.
Oh, the grouper's got a shark.
What?
What?
Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out.
Oh my god!
Oh,
Oh my gosh!
the grouper used us as cover to catch a shark.
What?
Yes, that has a whole shark in its mouth.
No way.
More evidence, really, of how these systems work. Wow, I'm gonna remember this forever.